In this tutorial we will be explain the trim entities. Trim entities tool, it's here, click on it. We have one option: power trim, corner trim, trim away inside, trim away outside, trim to closed. Okay, first thing, trim to closed. Here we can trim this or this or this. Okay, for example, second example, trim entities outside. Just select these two lines, click on the first line and control and click the second line. Okay, now everything outside these two lines will be deleted. Okay, this line not deleted because it's not crossing the second line. Now it's crossing the two lines. Again, trim entities, select the first line and the second line, trim outside. Okay, now trim inside. Trim inside, click here. In the same thing, just select the two lines, click on the first line and control and click the second line. Now everything inside will be deleted. The same thing in this line because it's not crossing the second line. If we make crossing the second line, okay, and again trim entities, select the first and the second line. Now it's trimming. Okay, the corner trim, it's select two entities to trim to a corner, like this, and this is the corner, or Ctrl Z, or this and this, or this and this. Finally, power trim. Power trim, it's just deleting like this. If I don't want here, delete the thing between 2 points. Here, here. Now the second thing in this tutorial is offset entities. Delete all of this. Offset entities. If I have a circle, for example, and I want it to offset entities, here click on the circuit. For example, offsetting 20. Okay, the first circle is have diameter, and the second it's difference between 20 millimeters here and 20 millimeters here. If we want to show it, plus 40 millimeters, we can make offset again. Offset entities, select this circuit and reverse direction. It will be inside here. For example, offset entities, reverse direction, offset entities, by direction, and finally base geometry, offset geometry. Just that's base geometry, offset geometry, the same thing. Now this is the last thing in this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will be explain the mirror entities linear sketch pattern. Thank you for watching. كده.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial